guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be opening cars again. The first car we're going to be opening is the Lamborghini Urus. And this one is a limited kind. I think this one is harder to open than the Matchbox. Oh no. This is like a game show or something. So what I like about this car is that it's really hard to open. And it's my second favorite, well, my first and second favorite color. And I like the bottom and the wheels and the windows and the lights. And that's probably really expensive in real life. The second one we're going to be opening is a Lamborghini again. Oh no. It happened again. If you guys haven't seen the first video I ever uploaded, it's kind of like that video. If you haven't seen it, it's where I get stuck for a couple minutes. So what I like about this car is that it was really hard to open, and it's probably really expensive in real life, and there's a little Hot Wheels sticker. And it's my third and second favorite color. And I like the wheels and the lines. The last one we're going to be opening is a Vantom. This one is really easy to open. It was like paper. And surprisingly, it was Matchbox. So what I like about this car is the top. Yeah, it's like tools and stuff. And that's a high suspension. And there's like a window top. I like the color of the windows. I'm looking for my. And I like the top. And I like the color. It says Matchbox. And whatever that says. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, and subscribe. Bye!